guys, I'm finally gonna do a house tour. So I gotta warn you right now, our house is a mess because I've been gone pet sitting. So when I'm gone, usually everything in the house kind of doesn't get done. Jeff's focus is mainly on the dogs at our house. So, and I wish I'd had the chance to do this earlier when it wasn't so dark, kind of, but maybe you guys could get the idea. It's, maybe I'll hide some of the mess with it being a little bit darker. But I wanted to do a tour before we end up moving out at the end of this month. So, here it goes. So this is the living room. It's news time. We come in, and there's a kitchen on the right. The living room was on the left. Pretty good sized kitchen. Pretty old kitchen, but it does a job. Then, from the living room, there's a little dining room. We got Dakota hanging out at our house. Her mommy's sick right now. What's up, Dakota? Oh, hi. Whoa. Hey, settle. You don't like the camera? China cabinet. Then we have this little nook over here off from the dining room. A little bar where we make all the dogs' dog food. Like a little dog kitchen, basically, since we don't really entertain very much. Then you can go down this one hallway. And then also, like, the kitchen can link from that side, if that makes any sense. This is my bathroom. There we go. Light! I actually have my own bathroom. That was like the coolest thing ever from not ever having my own bathroom. So, yeah, pretty cool. We got a linen closet. Nothing special except the rifles. Laundry, which is so nice to have it in the hallway. So our place is technically a 2-bedroom, but then we have a studio in the back. So this is one bedroom we do not use. We used to sleep in here, but now we ended up sleeping in the other room. So this used to be another secondary living room kind of. And then we had music instruments, and then we moved a bunch of stuff around, and we have our bike. So this ended up being the clutter room because we never got the chance to just like make it like we wanted it to. And there's a big closet that has all our tools in it since we don't have a garage. And then we have a big sliding glass door over here. So that was kind of cool. Like inside, outside. Because there's a patio off that sliding glass door. So this was like another loungy type area. And this is how I organize all my pet stuff. In these cool lockers. And then I had more pet stuff over here since my job is dealing with dogs and pets. And then all my dog leashes. Because I got 3 dogs. So they got different leashes for different purposes. And then this is our bedroom that we pretty much sleep in. And then, who do we got over here? Oh, is it the Spiky? Is it the Spike-Rooski? Oh, yeah, we put a bed in the house, but he likes to sleep under it. And then I got an art desk. And then I got this other cool sit-stand desk thing going on. It's from IKEA. You just like push these buttons. Oh my god, the desk is lowering. So now you can sit, or you can jack it up real high and stand up. It's like $400, $450 from IKEA. Like the best thing ever. You know, you can put it whatever. And then this room actually has like 2 windows. Then we got Gavin dog. What's up, Gavin? Hi. They're all ready to go right outside. We just got home. And then who do we got here? Is this Kaylee? Is this Kaylee? This is our new baby. Well, okay, she's 8 months old. What's up, girl? What's up? You just mad? You want out? Yeah? Do you guys go potty? Yeah? Stop itching. Okay, hold on. And then heavy stuff. And then our closet. So we actually fit the dog crates in the closet. And go back out. We got another little hallway. Seems confusing until you actually live here. Then we got another bathroom. This is Jeff's bathroom. Don't look, it's pretty messy. Then we got this outside. We have a gate you can fit the cars through. This driveway. This is one of our work trucks. And the backyard is my favoriteest part of this house. We got a side yard, patio. This is the other side of that sliding glass door in that one bedroom. And this is like a studio thing. It was a garage that they enclosed. And then another truck. And then this is like a little eating and patio area. We're just always busy. All our focus is the dogs. So there's always lots of mess. Kind of, because we'd rather just play with the dogs and do our work and everything. We have these cool loungy couch area. We have the store on that studio. Oh, let me turn on the light. So, okay, kind of enough light. Oh, let me turn on one more light. It's kind of dark in here. There you go. So this is a studio that we, for a while, we're going to convert and have it as we always call it the dog house, because it was an area where my guest dogs would kind of stay. So if we had any dogs for pet sits, they'd usually stay in here. But now that we were getting ready to move out, we've moved a lot of things out of here, or the dogs ended up staying in the house with us anyways. But this is another extra little room that we could have the dogs in too, you know, or any of our guest dogs. And there was like kind of like a little kitchen area. Jeff threw a bunch of his tools over here when it was raining, so usually the stuff's not here. It's like a mini fridge. It's kind of like a little bar area kind of thing. Kind of cool. We see where the people were going with it, but they didn't do too good of a job. Let's show you the backyard. That's pretty big backyard. That's kind of cool. There's all these cool little nooks and crannies for my dogs to like run around in. Okay, I hope I don't move too fast for you guys. But that's like back side of the house. Some little bench seating area. Don't mind the poo if you see any. I haven't picked it up yet today. And then there's this kind of like, there's these like cool redwood trees. Oh, sorry it's not bright out right now. Getting over being sick. Then there's this cool little like pit area that you could sit in. It was supposed to be part of a pond kind of thing. Then there's a wonderful shit shed. We didn't do this. They made it, and it's unusable because it's pretty much should just be condemned. It should just be torn down. And there's like a little alleyway behind it that the dogs run through. Whoa. Ugh. And then there was supposed to be, like, I guess some pond or something. But there's another part of that shed. And then there was supposed to, like, I guess, be a driveway or something. And some bricks. And then a little pathway. So, yeah. All kinds of stuff we wanted to do, but it doesn't matter now since we're moving. And then there's like another little pathway over here. The dogs tear through often and chase each other around. It's pretty funny. I'll have to show you guys a video of that. But I'm gonna go let the dogs out to play right now. So see you guys. Thanks for watching.